Manage System Time Task is a new task available on the Z14 HMC. With this task, System Administrator can perform all operations related to management of coordinated time network from a single management point. In this video, we will show how an administrator can add and remove systems from their coordinated time network. Add and remove systems actions are located on the left side of the Manage System Time task. Both of these are multi-step wizards. Only one STP action can be launched at a time. When launched, every STP action takes in currently selected CTN information. Therefore, every action is performed for currently selected CTN. Upon clicking on Remove Systems from CTN link, user can make changes to the coordinated time network by removing one or more systems. This is a three-step wizard. Wizard progress bar indicates on what step user is currently on, and also shows how many steps are there overall. Wizard progress bar can be used to jump back into previously visited page by clicking on the corresponding step. Below the step title are detailed instructions on how to make a change. Step instructions also have inline definitions of the technical terms. On the right-hand side is a guidance area, which contains more in-depth information and relevant best practices. Step instructions, inline definitions of technical terms, and guidance reduce need for user leaving the task to reference external documentation. Relevant information is presented to the user just in time when user needs it. In this wizard, user first selects one or more systems to remove from the CTN. Only systems without a server role can be removed using this action. Next, user selects an inactive CTN from the drop-down list to change the CTN ID of the removed systems. User can also create new CTN ID. Guidance area specifies rules for creating new CTN ID. Finally, user comes to the Confirm Changes wizard step. In here, user is presented with a visual representation of the CTN change in the form of a topological view of the CTN. CTN is shown without removed systems. Clicking on the Apply button will bring up a disruptive confirmation warning dialog. Removing systems from the CTN results in loss of clock source for disrupted partitions, which are listed in the table. In order to proceed, user must type in their HMC password. Upon entering the password, user can click on the Apply button. At this point, HMC communicates with the affected systems to remove them from the CTN. Depending on the number of the systems and their states, this can take a few moments. Upon successful removal, HMC will display success message. Upon clicking on Add Systems to CTN link, user can make changes to the coordinated time network by adding one or more systems. This is a two-step wizard. User can cancel out at any point without applying any change. User first selects one or more systems to add into the CTN. Only systems that are not configured in a CTN or are members of an inactive CTNs are available. The last step is Confirm Changes wizard step, where user is shown a topological view of what the CTN will look like with these added systems. Clicking on the Apply button will bring up a CTN ID change confirmation overlay. Added systems are listed in a table along with their source and destination CTN IDs. Upon clicking on the Apply button, HMC communicates with the affected systems to add them into the CTN. Depending on the number of the systems and their statuses, this can take a few moments. Upon a successful add, HMC will display success message. Please watch our other HMC tutorials.